morning, all of you. My name is Aditya, and I study in class 7th A in PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Mungawli. I participated in Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. It is we have a team of 5 members named me Aditya Agarwal and Jigar Chauhan, Vivek Lodhi, Manoj Lodhi, and Jagat Sharma. We make a project on agriculture named Smart Irrigation System using soil moisture sensors. Its summary is: in this project, I have designed a model that automatically waters crops only when the soil becomes dry. The system uses a soil moisture sensor to check the water level in the soil. When the sensor detects that the soil is dry, it sends a signal to turn on a water pump. Once the soil is dry, it sends a signal to turn on a water pump. Once the soil gets enough moisture, the pump automatically stops. This idea aims to help farmers save water, reduce manual labors, and increase crop growth. It is a step toward smart and sustainable agriculture, which supports the vision of developed Viksit Bharat. Its implementation materials required: soil moisture sensor, Arduino or microcontroller, water pump and pipe system, relay module, power supply, cropland model for demonstration. Second is working process. The soil moisture sensor is placed in the soil near the plant's roots. It constantly measures the soil's moisture level. When the soil is dry, the sensor sends a signal to microcontroller. The microcontroller activates the water pump when the soil reaches the regard, required moisture level. The sensor detects it and turns off the pump automatically. Third is demonstration steps. We will create a small farm model using soil, plants, and a water container. We will connect the sensor and pump to show how the system automatically irrigates the soil when it gets dry. Uses and its benefits. Water conservation prevents wastage of water by irrigating only when necessary. Farmer support reduces manual work and saves farmers time and energy. Improved crop growth ensures crops receive the right amount of water, promoting healthy growth. Automation uses simple technology for automatic control, reducing human error. Contribution to Viksit Bharat encourages smart farming and technological innovations in agriculture, helping India move toward a modern and developed nation. I hope that it is understandable for you, and if I make a mistake, forgive me and thank you.